Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to log in Instagram if you forgot your password using your Android phone. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So first, go to Instagram, then right here, click Get Help Logging In. So to find your account, just enter your username, email address, or your phone number. So I will just enter my email address, then click Next. So to access your account, they will access your account via email or with Facebook. Or if you don't have access on this account, just click Need More Help. So I will just click Send an Email. So they sent an email to my Gmail. So I'm gonna check my Gmail. So click the Instagram here. So right here, as you can see, it says that login as it's me Pat_IG, and that is my username. And also, I can just reset my Instagram password. So for this, I will just log in. Then enter a new password, or you can just skip this one. So right here, I'm logged in on my Instagram account. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!